Welcome to this week's episode of Curated with Cassie. We have pizza with the Dough Bros in Galway. We check out some sparkling tea in the Westbury, very fancy, and yoga for your face. Yep, you can do a yoga class for your face that could potentially make you look younger. That's all coming up. If you follow me on Instagram, you will know that I absolutely love pizza. And for someone that loves pizza so much, it's actually a disgrace I haven't tried this place, the Dough Bros. It's right here in Galway City. And I'm finally going to get to try it. The two brothers are in there waiting for me. They're going to tell me their story. And of course, we're going to make an infamous Dough Bros pizza. Everyone tells me about Dough Bros and I have never tried it. So
that's not good enough.
I felt a bit embarrassed telling you, to be honest, but I think it's also the perfect opportunity to try it.
Yes.
This is going to be my absolute first time. So for anyone that doesn't know your history and doesn't know how you guys got started, where did this whole pizza thing come about for you?
Try and cut it down to a few words,
Yeah, we were on a family trip in Naples when we were kids, right? And that was the first time we had seen wood-fired oven cooked in like the traditional Neapolitan style ovens. And that was, you know, as well as seeing the theatre and also noticing the difference in the quality. And often we remarked as kids growing up that we couldn't really, no one in Ireland was really doing that.
Okay.
So we probably seen an opportunity to do that with Irish ingredients, create a brand around it and do it with a bit of personality.
Delicious. And am I right in saying, Ronan, that you've actually trained?
Yeah.
Eugene,
I was
you
left
didn't.
behind.
You were left
Straw.
behind. Grand. Okay, so
Train Eugene, you know.
so one of you had to take it for the team.
Yeah.
And you went to Italy.
Yeah, so I trained over in Naples, so the birthplace of pizza for people who don't know.
Okay.
That's when it originated back in like the 1800s, so they take it very seriously. They have like a governing body of pizza alone over there.
Yeah.
So yeah, I got to go over and train in the best school in the world for like just under a month.
Okay, so pizza making with the Dough Bros. Take one, let's go.
Yeah, so first things first, Cassie. Take our dough ball out of the tray. And again, our dough, we make it 72 hours ahead of time, so 3 days in advance.
Okay.
Reason being is, for this reason, it's really nice, soft and pliable, so there's really good gluten in it. And you can stretch it by hands, no rolling pins here now.
Perfect, okay.
All right, so we get it in our hand.
Yeah.
Stretch it out. There you go.
Fantastic.
There we go. So, and then down.
Is this the regular size that you guys do?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, cool.
So it does get a final stretch at the end as well.
No tomatoes.
Oh, yes.
Oh, we're making one no tomatoes?
It's a white base. It's
Oh,
one of our new ones.
Yeah,
listen,
so-
and people are afraid of those sometimes, but they are delicious.
They are
Yeah.
delicious.
Like-
You can really
Yeah.
taste the dough, I think, better, with
Okay.
the white base.
And you're
They're
also
really good.
famous for this type as well, so.
Yeah, we do both, yeah.
Yeah.
But they're famous everywhere. It's just that it's a new concept in Ireland. But you go to Italy, America, it's nearly
It's a
all
thing.
menus are half and half.
So do not be afraid of not
Yeah.
having the tomato
Embrace
sauce.
the Bianca base.
Just make sure you go with someone so you can get that one and your regular tomato
Yes,
sauce
yeah,
one as
yeah.
well.
Just
Okay.
buy two. Buy a tomato one and.
So just a little bit of cream.
Yum.
Seasoned cream, bit of Parmesan.
What's this one called?
This is called the Wiz Kale-Leafa.
Ah, nice.
Yeah, so there's a
get
bit of
it?
seasonal
After
kale on it.
Kale-Leafa.
Yeah.
Oh, very good.
Named
You're
after
all
the man
so
himself,
clever.
you know.
You don't just make pizza,
Yeah.
you crack jokes.
So a bit of Tunesbridge dairy, pizza or mozzarella if you order latte. Really
Delish.
good from Cork. All right. So then take it over. And you can finish off the rest there.
Some mushrooms, a mix of portobello and button mushrooms that we cook in thyme and garlic and nice stuff.
Yeah.
Then some kale, just a little spreadage.
Yeah. Kale works really well on a pizza.
It just
And
takes on a new
chars
flavour.
on the outside.
it
You
turns
get like
kinda nice and crisp,
a very
okay.
nice crisp on it. Yeah, it's delicious.
Then some feta cheese from Tunesbridge as well.
Can't have too much cheese, you know.
No, you can't. This looks delicious.
It's just nice and salty and rich.
I didn't have breakfast, so I am starving.
Yeah.
And small bit of extra virgin.
And I will double check it.
Salt.
Yeah, that's looking good.
That's past the quality control test.
It
is
looks good now, guys.
A
Yeah.
little bit of pepper. That's pretty.
That's stunning. I mean, yeah, no, you've done
pretty
the
pie.
right bit of everything.
Yeah, yeah.
It's like fire. burning up. Time to rock and turn it up. Make it hot, 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 make it hot.
I can't believe how quickly pizzas cook.
I know. It's like
a minute and a half.
Yeah, sometimes even 60, 70 seconds.
It's insane.
Make it hot, make it hot. It's 1, 2, 3, go. Always beat those.
Finish it with egg yolk as soon as it comes out the oven.
Is this like a little secret of yours?
Yeah.
it's
So
something, yeah.
It's
just cooks perfectly when it comes out the oven.
Do.
And then just a little bit of sriracha.
Oh, delicious.
Got the heat stove, 'cause when you see smoke, there's fire. Burning up. Time to rock and turn it up. Make it hot, make it hot, make it hot.
There.
This is my first. It's rude not to. in
Yeah, it
fairness,
is,
lads.
Can't let you go now.
My first Dough Bros pizza. Here we go.
It's a good noise.
Delish.
Papaditis, my papaditis. No Jackson bite, no satisfier. And wax sinus, I practice like it's my last arrival. So fast, I'm striking up master lightning on fire. Burning up. Time to rock and turn it up. Make it hot, 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 make it hot like fire. Feel the heat. Won't perform, still unique. Make it hot, 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 make it hot.
So there you have it. If you want some of the best pizza in Galway and possibly the best pizza in Ireland, just come into Dough Bros. They're open most of the time. They're very busy, so if you do want a table, you better come early. Me, I'm going to stay here and finish off some research. I just need to figure this out. So you can go. Bye. We've heard of sparkling wine, we've heard of champagne, we've heard of Prosecco, but have you heard of sparkling tea? Didn't think so. Well, it was started in Copenhagen and it's now famous all over the world. And the only place you can get it here in Ireland is in Wilde in the Westbury. Well, I'm here to meet up with the sommelier to find out all you need to know about the new craze that is sparkling tea. Okay, so Philip, sparkling teas. This is new to me. First of all, what are they?
Sparkling teas.
What it says on the
literally what it says on the tin. So sparkling teas, and these ones in particular have come from Copenhagen in Denmark.
Okay.
So these were devised by a sommelier, and it's a blend of up to 13 different teas in the bottle.
Okay.
And they're all organic as well. A little squeeze of organic lemon juice, and a little dribble or two of wine as well. So,
Okay, so what was the need for sparkling? Like, did you see? Do you understand why there's sparkling teas? Because it's something I've just never ever thought about. I'm sure most people have never thought about it.
Yeah, I think following the trend of low and no alcohol alternatives, this is a great alternative.
Okay.
So in the range, you've got 0% sparkling tea,
Nice.
and you've got other sparkling teas that have like 5% alcohol in them. So it's a great option if you want to cut down on the alcohol.
Okay.
Maybe you don't want any alcohol, you're out with friends and you have a little glass of bubbles. It looks like champagne or Prosecco, but it's not. And you don't feel left out either, so it's...
Because it looks exactly the same. It looks fantastic.
Yeah.
I'm going to do the taste test because, well, it's here and this is my job,
we'll do it
obviously.
together, yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
To today and to sparkling tea.
So we serve it chilled
Okay,
at 5 degrees Celsius.
That's delicious. Like it's very different to Prosecco
Yeah,
or
yeah.
champagne or anything like that. It's very
really
sweet.
floral,
Yeah, it's lovely.
aromatic. Not super sweet. There's a little bit of sugar there. It's balanced
Okay.
by a squeeze of lemon.
Okay.
But it's it's great. Even the 0% one is great
Yeah.
for kids. Kids parties.
That's
so
something
there's no
actually.
alcohol.
Sorry, I never
Yeah.
think about. But like, I guess if you're coming in here, you're coming into Wilde
Yeah.
and you're celebrating a 10-year-old's birthday, and
Yeah.
it's just you and the family, and it's always nice to cheers. Have champagne yourself, of course, and then
Yeah.
your 10-year-old can have a little glass of the sparkling
and
tea.
not feel left out.
And you have a salad here. Is that because it mixes well with salads? Is it a
Yeah,
summer drink?
It is. I mean, this is more spring summer.
Okay.
This is not your big ribeye steak, your fillet steak.
Yeah.
This is for your light salads, chicken, And it works really well with any dishes that are a little bit, you know, lighter in style, that have a little bit of acid with them as well. That little squeeze of lemon juice in all the teas really lends itself well.
It is really nice. And so there's 3 of them here that we have on the table. So one is the non-alcoholic.
Yeah.
That is...
This is the blue one here.
Okay, the blue one.
Yeah, so this is the blue one here. You've got the red one as well. Yeah, so this is probably the most popular one. So it's black tea, white tea, hibiscus as well. It's really aromatic, it's floral. A little bit of strawberry and raspberry and cherry that you get from this one as well. And again, all the teas are organic that are in there, and organic lemon juice. A little squeeze, just a dash of organic lemon juice, just to give you that little bit of acid, which goes well with the food also.
Okay, and obviously it's only available here in Wilde in the Westbury.
It is, yeah.
What have the customers thought so far?
Really, really great feedback. I mean, particularly we launched this in January, and you know, we made a decision: are we going to keep this on or not? We did, because the reception on it was brilliant.
And it's made out of tea, so it's completely health conscious. I mean, there's no going wrong, really.
Absolutely.
So for anyone who wants to try it out, come for, I don't know, a lovely lunch or dinner, a celebration, and you can celebrate with this.
Indeed.
And it's surprisingly lovely. I don't want to say it's surprising, but it actually is delicious, Philip.
Cheers.
Cheers. Philip's gone. He's left me with the sparkling tea, which I'm tasting. I'm making sure that I like it. And I have to say, I am surprised at how much I do like it. It's very light and delicious. He's also left me with a delicious salad, which is fantastic. So this is just a great day. So cheers to today. If you want to come in and try the sparkling tea, just book a table at Wilde and come in and try the tea. And also get some photos, because it's absolutely fantastically Instagrammable here. Anyway, bye. What if I told you there was something we could do for half an hour every day for 20 weeks that would make you look 3 years younger without surgery? Well, there is something available. It's here at the Essentials Clinic on Baggot Street in Dublin, and I'm here to find out all about face modelling and face yoga. Let's go. So I'm joined by Agnes here in Essentials Clinic, and basically I was put in touch with you by a friend of mine who I was questioning whether she'd had some work done on her face, and you're her neighbour.
Yes, I am.
And you can tell me that she actually hasn't.
I can swear she had no work done.
Because what she's been doing is coming in here and getting face remodeling?
Face modeling treatment, yes.
Okay, which is, because I might actually even put up a picture of my friend right now to show you. Her skin is fantastic, and she's been coming here for a year.
For a year, since March, because I introduced this treatment to Ireland in March.
So the back is important to this whole face remodeling thing.
We have to make sure your posture is very good if you want to achieve the results on your face, okay? And as I can feel there's a lot of tension.
Yeah, it's so sore. I don't even have kids and I have that much tension.
Doesn't mean kids will give you all of that, but...
Really? They look very stressful. They stress me out. Maybe I get stressed from other people's kids.
Maybe, that's the key, yeah.
Okay, so what's happening right now?
I'm doing some cupping just to disconnect the tissue of your skin.
Okay.
So there's more oxygen coming to your body, to your
thank God
shoulder, to your face. There's a better circulation.
How long does the whole face remodeling take?
An hour and a half.
Hour and a half.
And to be honest, I was trying to make it shorter when I got trained first.
Yeah.
Because it's a lot for an hour and a half, because I'm limited with appointments.
Yeah. There's only so many hours in a day.
But you're not able to achieve the results you would like just
Okay. But another thing that you offer here as well, which is fantastic, it sounds very cute, face yoga.
Face yoga, yes, face yoga. So I do workshops here on Sunday, and we're going to be more flexible with days in the future. And you have a workshop, 3 workshops of different face exercises.
Okay, so you come in and basically like a yoga class.
Yoga class for the face.
Fantastic.
We have 57 muscles on our face, so we have to use them the way we use our body muscles.
So you're
and I
offering that
teach
here.
you also how to use the gua sha, how to apply the kinetic tapes on your forehead so you can sleep with them. And I also show you how to work with the cupping.
Okay, and when were you introduced to this? So how, I mean, I haven't heard of this before here in Ireland, so when?
Look, I'm so passionate about my work that I will find everything that works and it's natural. So the next step is our buccal massage. So
Okay.
I will be able to sculpt your face.
I swear this is work, first of
It's
all. This is work for me, this is research.
fantastic. It's fantastic, it's fantastic. So a very weird question to ask. Can you just gently open your mouth, please? Close and relax.
No, but that's really, it's actually quite relaxing after like doing it, I guess, a class like that. So you feel quite good.
You feel quite good. You have 57 muscles on your face and we don't use them or we overuse some of them. So it's very important to keep the balance of all the muscles. And as I said, I will teach you all those techniques in the workshop.
Perfect, Agnes, thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.
No, thank you. I think I might actually get involved in this facial yoga thing.
Please do.
It's actually quite fun. So there you have it, yoga for your face. It's a thing, and it might be a class you want to invest in. The Dough Bros pizza was absolutely delicious. I'd never been, it was my first time, and it was yum. The lads were so nice. Next week, I'm gonna do a Paddy's Day special. I'm gonna put two of my friends to the test, and they're gonna make mashed potato and tea, two Irish favorites, and I'm gonna taste them and see, not my friends, I'm gonna taste the mashed potato and taste the tea, and see who makes the best mash and who makes the best tea. So I'm off to make that episode. Get out of my way. Excuse me, just gotta go make an episode curated.